If you've ever dreamed of escaping to a tropical paradise surrounded by crystal clear turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and luxurious overwater villas, then Villa Nautica Paradise Island Resort in the Maldives may be exactly what you're looking for. Located on a beautiful island north of the Maldives Atoll, Villa Nautica is one of the Maldives' most popular five-star resorts, formerly known as Paradise Island Resort. This stunning property combines luxury, convenience, and world-class hospitality in one unforgettable destination. One of the biggest advantages of staying at Villa Nautica is how easy it is to reach. After landing at the international airport in Mali, guests are transferred directly to the resort by speedboat. The journey takes only about 20 minutes, meaning you can start enjoying your vacation almost immediately after arriving in the Maldives. The resort features 282 guest rooms and villas, ranging from beachfront accommodation to luxurious overwater villas and private pool suites. Whether you're planning a honeymoon, family vacation, or romantic getaway, there is an accommodation option to suit every type of traveler. The Maldives enjoys warm tropical weather year-round. Average daytime temperatures typically range between 29 and 32 degrees Celsius, with warm ocean temperatures perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving throughout the year. The best time to visit Villa Nautica is normally between November and April, during the dry season. During these months, visitors can expect plenty of sunshine, calmer seas, and ideal conditions for water activities and island excursions. Speaking of activities, Villa Nautica offers something for everyone. Guests can enjoy snorkeling on nearby reefs, scuba diving, jet skiing, parasailing, sunset cruises, deep sea fishing, and a wide variety of other water sports. The resort also features a luxurious spa, swimming pool, tennis courts, fitness facilities, and multiple restaurants serving international cuisine. One of the biggest highlights is the incredible marine life found in the surrounding waters. Colorful tropical fish, rays, reef sharks, and vibrant coral formations make this area a paradise for underwater enthusiasts. The nearby reefs of North Maldives Atoll are considered some of the most accessible and enjoyable snorkeling and diving locations in the Maldives. Whether you're relaxing on a pristine beach, enjoying a sunset from an overwater villa, or exploring the turquoise lagoon, Villa Nautica delivers classic Maldives experience that travelers dream about. If paradise is on your travel bucket list, Villa Nautica Paradise Island Resort is a destination that deserves to be at the very top. Obviously, a very beautiful place, and relatively easy to get to considering it's the Maldives, and nothing in the Maldives is easy to get to. Especially just getting to the Maldives, that's a project in itself. Now let's look at some of the numbers. This is from Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can check it out for yourself, get more information, and check out the prices on your dates. But here's what's available right now. This is a 5-star resort. It has a 9.0 out of 10 rating on Agoda, which is really good, and that's with 6,853 reviews. Not a lot of reviews considering this is a very popular place. Now the price. The starting price looking 1 month ahead is $425 US per night. Not a cheap place, that is for sure, but considering where it is, reasonable, I guess. But $425 gets you the cheapest room available, and that's before taxes. Now looking through the comments people left when they left their reviews, here's what people talked about the most. The pool, absolutely beautiful. An awesome place for kids. Kids love it there. Lots for them to do. And a lot of people talked about the easy access. It's just a 20-minute speedboat ride from the airport. Pretty easy to get to, considering a lot of places as a flight that takes longer than this speedboat ride. Pretty easy when you think about it, and an awesome place once you get there. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.